Just a stone's skip away from the Chester River, you can find Oksana's produce, a small but picturesque farm where Oksana Bocharova is picking the perfect produce for pickling.
I always was making sauerkrauts for family, learned it from my mom. One day, one of my friends who was running a natural food store, he said, why don't you start making it to sell? He was the first who started selling it at his store. I did the only Russian kraut then, and then I started developing different recipes.
All of those recipes require a variety of crops, and on her farm, Oksana is making every acre count. Oksana's roots in agriculture go back to when she was a child in her homeland of Russia.
I feel sometimes that farming, working with the land is in my blood because my ancestors were actually peasant farmers. Right now we're preparing our vegetables that we cut out on the farm to make a kimchi.
Oh, great. Here you go, boss.
Of course, the first step to making fermented kimchi, or anything else for that matter, is to chop the veggies.
And I still have all my fingers after all your chopping.
I was careful.
Oh, I thank you.
Next, Oksana moves over to a soaking station, and there she mixes up salt and water to create a brine.
How long will this soak for?
Well, we'll be soaking for about 2 hours.
Mm-hmm. That's enough?
That's enough, yes, to soften everything and to open the cells for salt to come in and fermentation. And then we're going to add onions, ginger, garlic, and red pepper to it.
Lovely.
Mix it all well up and then put it in buckets to ferment.
How long does the fermenting take?
For my kimchi, it takes about 2 weeks.
That long, wow.
Yes,
But it'll taste really good.
it will taste really good.
Very good.